In sports, everyone is part of the action. Whether you are playing, officiating, watching, or betting, you are the reason the game must go on. While almost every other thing is growing rapidly, the gaming business is playing catch-up. But not for long, as Bet Currency is here to change the game as the first sports betting coin. Utilizing blockchain, Bet Currency is the decentralized sports betting currency of the future. The digital currency facilitates the entire sports betting process and can be used in all sportsbooks globally. Like, imagine walking into a sportsbook and opening your phone and digitally deposit money into a sportsbook. Our platform is linked to attention value, where incremental duration and pixels in view are paramount to guarantee access to only relevant advertising content. We utilize Brave to determine customer interests. Our structure offers you more incentives from sportsbooks as well as real-time update, so you can monitor happenings and make well-informed predictions. User privacy and security to keep your identity and data protection at all times. Instant operations, so you enjoy seamless transactions. No transaction fees and more. Join us as we change the currency for sports betting for good. Visit our website at www.betcoincurrency.com to join our token sale now.